Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be covering one really simple tool called the zoom tool. Now what the zoom tool does is, as the name suggests, the zoom tool will actually help you to zoom in and out of your document and you will be able to see all those minute details in a much better manner, and this will actually help you to make your edits much more easier, right? So zoom tool is right here. It looks like a magnifying glass right here. Okay, right. So before I begin with the video, I would like to remind you all to make sure that the essential classics options has been switched on from this drop down box below. Then only you will be able to see all these tools right here on your screen. Right, okay. So for this video, I have chosen this A4 size document and I've given a name to my document as well called the zoom tool. Right, okay. So first, I'll start by making some random shapes on my document. Okay. So you'll see that in a moment why I'm doing this. Right. So this is just an example, like in case if you have multiple shapes on your document or if you already made some illustrations, right? Like that. And I'll just make another one right here. Alright. So I'll go ahead and also fill in colors of my shapes. Right. So I'll keep clicking on these squares and rectangle and keep giving it different colors to it. Right. Okay, good. So this one yellow. Let's change the color of that to orange. No, wait. Yeah, better. And this one to be pink. Alright. So now, as I had mentioned earlier, the zoom tool is right here. It looks like a magnifying glass. And the shortcut key for this tool is the letter Z. Right? I'll click on this. And as you can see, the magnifying glass has a plus sign on it. Right? So that means you can easily zoom in. Right? So all you have to do is click on your mouse and just drag it. Right? So it gets magnified to an extent. So you can even magnify it even further. So instead of dragging your mouse, you can just click on your document like that. So that portion that you have selected, that gets zoomed in, right? So in case if you want to zoom out now, you have to click on the Alt button on your keyboard and the plus sign gets turned into minus. And similarly, if you just click on your document, you can see that the document now starts to get minimized like that. Now similarly, let's try again. So I'll click on my document like that. Now I want to see the corner portion of my yellow square. So I'll just move my mouse over here and click on it so that I can get a much clearer view of my corner shape like that. Similarly, if I want to see the corner shape of my orange rectangle, I can easily just click on it till I can see this a lot better. Right? Now if I click on the Alt button, it gets into minus and we can just click our way like that. So for starters, I would recommend that you zoom in and zoom out by clicking on your mouse, because like if you drag your mouse, it can zoom in a lot or zoom out a lot. So this can be a little tricky, right? Like that. Okay. And let's also quickly go and save our document. To do that, we go to File, Save As, and this pop-up box comes up on your screen. Right, so by default, our documents will be saved in an Adobe Illustrator file. I highly recommend that we save a file in this format so that in case if I want to make any changes, I can easily access my Adobe Illustrator file, and we click on Save. And that's it. Now that we've actually come to the end of our tutorial, I hope you found this video to be useful, and with a little practice, you will soon become more familiar with the Zoom tool. And that's it. So another thing I would like to add is that, the shortcut key tools actually help you a lot better, right? So you don't have to keep going back to the tools panel right here. So in case if you remember or memorize the shortcut key tools, you can easily choose the shortcut key tools to access your tool that you want to use, right? So that's it. So we've come to the end, and thank you for watching and keep practicing.